In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress and GoDaddy step by step so you can get your website up and running quickly without getting confused by the setup process. If you're starting a blog, business site, portfolio, or online store, this is one of the fastest ways to launch a WordPress website on GoDaddy. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to GoDaddy and log into your account. Make sure you sign in with the correct account that contains the hosting plan you want to use, because WordPress will need to be installed on the right hosting package. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the section called My Products. This is where all of your domains, hosting plans, and website tools are stored in one place. Next, under the web hosting section, click Manage. This will open the control area for your hosting plan, where you can start setting up your website. If you have more than one hosting product, double-check that you're choosing the correct one so you don't install WordPress on the wrong site. After that, look for the option to Create a New Site. This is the step that begins the WordPress setup process. GoDaddy will guide you through a simple setup flow from here, so just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Now you'll need to choose the best data center based on your location. This is important because selecting a data center closer to your visitors can help improve site speed and performance. If your audience is local, pick the region that makes the most sense for them. If you're not sure, choose the closest available option to where most of your traffic will come from. Once that's done, GoDaddy will ask you to confirm that this is a WordPress website. Make sure WordPress is selected, because that tells GoDaddy what kind of site you want to build. This step matters because the platform may offer other website types, but for this tutorial, we want a standard WordPress installation. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a WordPress username. Pick something secure and easy for you to remember, but not too obvious. Since this username is part of your website login, it's a good idea to avoid using something overly simple or easy to guess. After that, complete any other basic setup details that appear on the screen. Finally, click Create My Site. GoDaddy will now begin installing WordPress for you automatically. This part usually only takes a short time, and once it's finished, your WordPress site will be ready to use. From there, you can log into WordPress, choose a theme, create pages, and start building your website. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress in GoDaddy. As you can see, the process is very beginner-friendly once you know where to click. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.